If you're seeing the message, the requested URL was not found on this server on Google Drive, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens when the link is broken, the file was moved or deleted, you're signed into the wrong Google account, or there's just a temporary browser issue. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check the link, verify your account, and recover the file if you own it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to drive.google.com and open Google Drive in your browser. If you're trying to access a file from a shared link, start by making sure you're on the correct Google account. This is one of the most common reasons for the error. If you have multiple Google accounts signed in, Google Drive may open the wrong one, and that file may not have permission on that account. So log out of any extra accounts if needed, then sign back into the specific account that was supposed to view the file. Next, check the URL carefully for typos or missing parts. A valid Google Drive file link usually starts with something like https://drive.google.com/file/d/ or https://drive.google.com/open?id=. If part of the link is missing, copied incorrectly, or broken in the middle, Google Drive may show the requested URL was not found message. So highlight the full link, compare it carefully, and make sure nothing was cut off when it was copied or pasted. If the URL looks correct, the next step is to contact the file owner. Ask them whether the file was deleted, moved to another folder, or replaced with a different version. If the file was moved or renamed, the old link may no longer work. In that case, the owner needs to send you a new sharing link. This is especially important if the file was shared in a chat, email, or document and you're using an older saved link. Now refresh the page. Sometimes this error is caused by a temporary loading issue in the browser. You can press F5 on your keyboard or click the refresh icon in the top corner of your browser. This may sound simple, but it often clears minor glitches and reloads the Drive page properly. If the issue still remains, try opening the same link in an incognito window or a different browser to rule out a browser cache problem. If you are the owner of the file, check the trash in Google Drive. A file that was accidentally deleted can usually be restored from there. To do this, open Google Drive, then click on Trash in the left-hand menu. Once inside, look for the missing file and select it. After that, click the Restore button at the top. This brings the file back to its original location and can immediately fix the broken link if the file was removed by mistake. So to recap, if Google Drive says the requested URL was not found on this server, first verify the account, then check the link for errors, contact the owner, refresh the page, and if you own the file, restore it from trash. One of those steps usually solves the problem fast. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.